Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you guys on how to solve this question. Okay, I believe that some students will find this type of question is difficult, but actually you just need to be creative on how to change the base of each index number. Okay, from what we can see, this question 8, 4 and 64, they have exactly the same base, that is 2. Okay, 8 we can change to 2 to the power of 3, so x minus 3, and 4 2 to the power of 2, and 64 2 to the power of 6. Okay, we need to bring this to the left hand side. We just multiply x to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 6. Okay, after we get this, we can add the power because they have the same base. Okay, 2 to the power of 3, x minus 3 plus 6, and 2 to the power of 2x. Okay, after we get this, we can just compare it and cancel out the base. So 3 x minus 3 plus 6 to 2x. Okay, now we can solve like a normal equation. 3x minus 9 plus 6 equals to 4x. Okay, we bring it to the left side, negative x, and this is 3. Okay, now we get the answer x equals to 3. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my video.